I'm out recent. Be playing Monkey Rooms because I don't have my mod anymore. Panda did a mod reset and I got accepted, but who's unbanned of So there's a new collectible. That's the only one I barely almost had before I took it out and updated. So we're gonna be playing Monkey Rooms, and I can't beat the glass bridge now. But there's a glass bridge, not the parkour one, but there's a glass bridge and green light is coming soon. So I basically, okay, we're gonna go, I don't know, 20,519 players. So I still have all of these bundles and stuff. The glitch monkey was packed. I don't know if the game's gonna be out that long. I do have the OG badge and everything. I'm on the OG badge now, and the Republic badge. So this actually is a game match, but it's not a camera. New game modes. We have a parkour, that thing. So we have a lot of fun. Looks real different. So we have red light, green light, but it's not yet. Whoa! I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You win. 2, 3, 4. And so we have a lot of stuff to uncover. Including this no parkour. So maybe organizing parkour. There's not any parkour now. Huh? Me. I don't know. Huh?
No.